Welcome to Roverpack, and today we are going to learn how to wear a gaiter. First of all, gaiters are meant to wear on legs during snow trekking. It helps in preventing snow to enter into your shoes. Now let's begin.
So this elastic one, ये वाला ऊपर आएगा, ठीक है? And this buckle, this loop, है ना? Will and this zip one, starting of the zip, that will be at the bottom. ठीक है? Now this hook will go here. The last base in आपका वहाँ पर ला जाएगा, ठीक है? That's the first. इधर तक, edge तक, ठीक है? Here, ठीक है? So that this till this portion, your shoe will be covered.
Okay.
ये सब निकालना है अभी.
ये इसके स्पाइक्स के ऊपर से आया तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना?
हाँ नहीं प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. First part is this. Then pull this one, zip. It's an elastic thing, so pull it as much as you can, and then tight like this.
Okay.
Zip lock कीजिए, ठीक है? So basically the zip part should be the inner side, not on the outer side.
Yeah.
ठीक है? So once this is done, close this button, then pull on the zip. ठीक है? One more button is there. Close करो. Then you have this elastic. How much ever you want, you tighten it up, and then press this button and lock it. बस हो गया. Then the last portion, ये buckle है ना, अंदर से below the shoes, and then buckle. First, the end of it. Let it go through the end of the loop here. Sorry.
Start of the loop, no? Then we'll put it
And this
out
one,
from
this
that side, yeah.
this is the end, and then the start portion.
Yeah. Okay.
Then the front part, so that you can tighten it as much as you can. You tighten it up, and this extra thing will be lying there. Try to tie it up inside. ठीक है?
Wasn't that easy? Subscribe to
Two, three loops.
Roverpack if you like to see amazing
And then
travel
lock it.
videos.
Just
And
try
if you
one
have any
knot and then
questions
fix
about
it
this
somewhere
video,
inside.
please leave a comment and I
Okay.
will definitely reply to them. So goodbye for now. Happy traveling.